Hey everyone, I'm Katya from Homemade Living, and today I'm making quick pickled jalapenos. Just wait till you try these spicy and sweet little gems. First I start out with some water, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and celery seed. Add all those ingredients to a minimum 3-cup saucepan. Give it a stir and bring the liquid to a boil. While you're waiting for it to boil, you can start cutting up your jalapenos. Cut the tops off and cut them into about 1/8 inch rounds. I recommend always wearing gloves when cutting spicy peppers. If you can't handle the heat of those jalapenos, by all means you can hollow out the seeds as you see here. I love to leave the seeds in. That's our family's preference. We just love spicy. Once you have all the jalapenos cut, add them to your boiling liquid and simmer for 5 minutes. Then remove the jalapenos from the liquid carefully with a slotted spoon or tongs straight into your glass mason jar. Return the liquid to the burner and simmer for another 3 minutes. Turn the burner off and let the liquid cool slightly. Then carefully pour the liquid into the jar with the jalapenos, leaving about a 1/2 inch from the top or just covering the jalapenos. Let the jar cool to the touch before putting on the lid. Refrigerate the jalapenos and ideally start enjoying them after 24 hours for their full flavor. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe below and be sure to hit that bell as well to get your latest videos. Happy cooking!